Hello guys, I am Viveknath from BTech second year in Kale University. I am here to tell about our project name property management. So we kept we kept our website name as Tenant Management Systems. So here is our login page. So if we want to create an account in our Tenant Management Systems, so here here we have email ID, first name, last name, create password and confirm the password to create an account. So here are three types of accounts. Tencent to find the place and pay the rent in online. Landlord accept the rent online and manage the rental. Service Pro manage request from landlords and find the new jobs. So you can select one out of three for from this. So here we ask a question. Are you looking for a new place? If it is yes, click yes, or you can happily move on to no and click next. So if you paid the amount, the dashboard appears like this. So here for property you can see the widgets and the information about it. If we click on this, so we get what are there in that. So bedroom, four bedrooms, four bathrooms, and for rent and the rent and the address of this. So we can see more images here. If you want it, you can, if you want that property, you can buy, you can fill the form and pay the amount here. So that's it. Thank you guys giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.